Here we are at Contra Costa Power Sports, and today we have our 2004 Arctic Cat 500 4x4 quad. This has automatic transmission, electric start, beautiful condition, front and rear racks, and a top box on the rear. We just put brand new tires on this thing. It's got a trailer hitch. We just serviced it. The bike is in beautiful running condition. Automatic, four-wheel drive with reverse gear. Come on by and make your quad dreams come true for just $34.99. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Power Sports.